Hello everyone. Today we're going to work on relative size. So those are just different words for small, medium, and large, or like long, longer, longest. And those are the two we're going to focus on today. So I have this really neat activity that I've got these buttons that we're going to sort together. And then what you'll need are these strips of paper we have paper clipped together. You will need those for your activity. So what we're going to do, I have three shapes. Can you tell me what shape this looks like? That's a flower. And then what shape is this? If you said circle, you were right. And then I've got what? Triangles. Good job. So what I'm going to do is mix them all together. And we're going to sort them to small, medium, and large. So let's look at the flowers together. So we see this one is the biggest. So where do you think it's going to go? I think it's going to be large. Do you guys agree? Now we still have these. Are they the same size? No, they're not the same size. So where do you think this one is going to go? It's a little bit bigger than this one. So is this one small or medium? If you said medium, you were right. And then I guess all we have left, since it's this little one, it's smaller than this one, and it's smaller than this one. So that must be our small one. So next, let's look at our triangles. These are blue triangles. Now let's see here. These two, are they the same size? Nope. Is this one smaller or bigger? It is smaller, you're right. So is this going to go with the small? Does that match? I think you're right. So now we've got these two. Is this one bigger or smaller? I think it's bigger. So let's see, do these two match in size? Yeah, I think they're the same size, so this one must be large. It must go over here. Awesome. So now let's look at this last one. Let's start with the biggest of them all. So where's the biggest one gonna go? Does it match these two? No. Is the green button bigger or smaller? It's bigger, that right. Then what about over here? Does it match our medium-sized ones? It looks awful close, but I don't think so. I think it's still bigger. So this must be a large button. If you said large, give yourself a pat on the back because you are so smart. Let's look at this one. Is it the same size as these? No, I think it's a little smaller. So where do I need to move it? To the small, that's right. So are these three all the same size? Yes, they're all three different shapes, but they are all the same size. They're all small. So that means all we have left is this one. Now, does it match over here? No, because it's too small. What about over here with the small ones? Does it match? Is it the same size? Nope, it's too big. So it must be just right in the medium. Do these three match now? They sure do. And so now that we've practiced with small, medium, and large, I want you guys to get out your strips of paper, and we're going to work on long, longer, and longest. You know, they're all the same thing. We're sorting them by size, but we might just use some different words like long, longer, and longest. So let's see. I've got two of these. I've got two of these. I've got two of these. I've got blue, green, and purple. So, parents, grandparents, caregivers, whoever's the adult with you, if you want to get a sheet of paper or a sticky note or something and do long, longer, longest, you're more than welcome to. It's just up to you and whatever. So we're looking at these. And let's line up the ends. That's something that helps us a whole lot when we're dealing with length. Length is just how long something is. So we can see they're all even here, but they're all different lengths. So we see we have real long, a really short, kind of a medium one, and then the same way. So let's start with the long. That would be the smallest two. So I think my smallest two would be these two. Let's put them together and see. Now, are these two the same length? They are, so these will be our long. I'm going to put them right there. Now let's look at our others. Now, do these match? No, they're different lengths. What about this one? Are they the same? No, because look, one end's here and one end's all the way up here. What about this green and blue? Are they the same length? They are the same length. So these will be our longer. And look, these are already sorted together. So they're going to be our longest. So now we have long, longer, longest. And when you sort yours, make sure you sort them in the right category so you can name them and categorize them. So these will be long, longer, longest. So I can't wait to see your sorting. And I know you guys are going to rock this. So have fun, guys.